Hey guys! Another exciting match again. Semi-final match between Phase 8 Bagong Silang versus Phase 3 Bagong Silang. Come on, stay tuned and keep watching to see live actions in Bagong Silang Interface Volleyball League 2024. And guys, some clips here are muted because of copyright issue kasi po nagpapatugtog ang mobile sa liga kada score ng players and ng team. Sorry po guys.
Okay, we're going to witness a very exciting match-up between Phase 3 versus Phase 8. Oh my god, I saw some familiar faces na talagang malalakas at mahuhusay na bata. Kaya this will be a very, I think, intense and close fight. Let's see, guys. Let's start the ball game. Lagabay the libero, Okran. Mikey. Nice attack by Mikey Verador. Mrs. Ibaya Costa, Shinhan. Nice attack by Shinhan. Estilo. Okran, nice set. Mikey again, the libero. Sayang ang pancake, this is semi-final match again between Phase 8 versus Phase 3. It's received. Clean hand at the service area. Alright, Tyra. Once again, Mikey. Nice defense. Siman, easy over. Okray with the jump set. Drop ball, pero tatarayan sila, guys. 4-1 po ang score. Lamang ang Phase 8. Acosta. Happy. Perador. Siman na atake. Sarado ang bangko. Acosta, another top speed. Nice receive by Boa. 5-1. 14 na row na si Shinhan. At over spike by Tyra. Ang tagal niya Shinhan sa service area. Mikey babawi. Net violation. Committed by Mikey Verador. Once again, Shinhan, Okray, block talaga. Mukhang slow starts from Phase 3, Team Phase 3, pangit ang umpisa nila. Another back set to Acosta. Nice attack by Acosta. Once again guys, this is an interface volleyball men's for the biggest and largest barangay in Caloocan or in the Philippines. Bagong Silang. Finally, they stopped the bleeding. 9-2. Pero nabawi agad ng Phase 8. Nice service by Stephen. Nice attack by Stabilo. Nice serve by Mikey Verador. Acosta again. Palong-palo. Pero not over. Once again, Mikey Verador for the service. Nice block. Nice serve again by Mikey. Mabawi kaya si Man. The libero is there. Nice defense by the libero, Stero. Again, once again, still playable. Boa. Nice attack. Si Man. Nice daga by Sas. Ryan. Outside. Official score 12-5. Lamang pa rin po Phase A. Outside. Talagang hirapan sila hanapin ang laro nila. 13-5. Service by Okray. Acosta. What a stare down from number 1. Nice attack! Powerful attack coming from Siman, number 11 of phase 8. Dagabay says, nice attack by Boa. Chain high. Still playable? No, hindi na kaya. Service again by Siman.
Receive by Mikey. Set by Princess.
Outside. Warning 7. Like 9 points advantage. 9 points advantage by team. Phase 8.
Outside. 16-8. Last point.
Jump surfer outside. Last 8. Service by Joanna Clara. Not over. Oh. Service by Boa. Nice set. Jump set. But still playable. Libero is there. Alright. And end of our first set. 89.
Service, Presiden Moda. Set pengadai Royal Mayan. Pegawai to Princess. Oi, nggak oi. Mikey, pegawai. Mikey.
Nice attack by Mikey. Not over. Service by Ses. Outside.
Royal. Fine. Tomaja. Oi, tapiok. Pizza. Grabe. Then.
What a nice serve with the help of the net. Service by Mark.
Royal. Tomaja. Tomaja. Boleh. Bisa deh. Tapi.
May royal attack.
Royal, the Princess. Pegawai.
Mikey.
Speed. Oh, over. Itu kita. Pegawai.
Nice attack. Service by Moja.
Si Princess. Tumalki. Bakit ngayon?
Chris. To James. Outside.
Grabe naman. Si Mrs. Carter.
Wrong rotation. Created by Phase 8.
Service by Nakshi. Stepping on the line. Nice serve by May Royal. Mikey, atake. May Royal is there. No. So, nasa third set na po tayo, guys. It's 3-1. Nice attack by Seaman. Sorry, guys. Hindi namin umpisahan talaga kasi medyo palabat na ako. Sorry. 3-2 na po ang score. 3-2 lamang ang phase 3.
Acosta. Kamay Kibaldor. Turayan. Acosta to Ablay. Ablay for Seaman. Acosta. Service. Two. Ryan Tumay Rivera. Ryan Tutayon Tabawin. Acosta service. Tupisok. Tupises to Ryan. Ryan spin. Acosta to Ryan. Tusiman. Tutuloy. Berdor. Tutayon ulit Babawi. Tomay. Sa libero. Tusiman.
So, 11-6, lamang pa rin ang phase 8 ng 5. Third set na po tayo. Pinulog. Pero Mikey is there. Sir Mark, nice attack. Block, pero still playable. Another serve.
Till here na lang, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't skip the ad. Thanks for watching and congrats to all the players of Bagong Silang Interface. Bye-bye. Keep safe. Love ya.